Sometimes a great product is a simple one, a product incredibly reliable and easy to use. This is Astreea, the new pedal hand sanitizer. The Astreea pedal hand sanitizer requires no maintenance or access to an electrical outlet. It's fully mechanical. Just push the pedal and stay safe. Hygienic without any risk of contamination. Yes, COVID-19 may be the reason we all need one of these in our office, shop, bank, hotel, school, hospital, park, or bus station, or in our residential area, or at the gym. But this product is designed to make our lives cleaner and healthier, not just today, but also tomorrow. As a matter of fact, maybe we need this product before and we just didn't know it until today. Astreea, proudly made in the European Union by ARSAT.